Hello and welcome. You are watching News Nation and I'm with you, Abointa Malik, and welcome to Trump Express. Here we go. Conservative justice on the US Supreme Court signaled support for upholding Donald Trump's decision to remove an FTC commissioner, a move that could dramatically expand presidential authority while putting a 90-year-old legal doctrine at risk. Alina Habba, once Donald Trump's personal lawyer and later appointed by him as New Jersey's top federal prosecutor, announced her resignation on Monday after an appeals court ruled her appointment illegal and barred her from overseeing cases. President Donald Trump said on Monday that he plans to sign an executive order this week to establish a unified national framework for artificial intelligence, replacing the patchwork of state-level laws that tech companies have long criticized. On Monday, President Donald Trump blasted insurance companies and argued that federal funds should go straight to individuals instead of insurers, pushing back as Democrats seek a 3-year extension of subsidies under the Affordable Care Act. A federal judge on Monday overturned a Trump administration directive that halted approvals for new wind energy projects, ruling that agencies accepted unlawfully and arbitrarily in trying to implement the order. President Trump has warned that a new tariff may be imposed on agricultural imports, particularly Indian rice and Canadian fertilizers, if ongoing trade talks with both countries fail to make progress, he said during a White House meeting. The US will allow exports of NVIDIA's H200 chips, the company's second most powerful AI processors, to China, but will impose a 25% free on the sales, President Donald Trump announced on Monday. Instagram and Facebook are now banned for minors under a new rule being closely monitored by other nations considering similar age restrictions amid growing concern over social media's impact on children's safety and well-being. President Donald Trump on Monday threatened an additional 5% tariff on Mexico if it does not immediately increase water deliveries to support US farmers, accusing Mexico of violating a long-standing bilateral water-sharing treaty. US will on Wednesday become the first country in the world to bar children under 16 from using social media platforms such as TikTok, YouTube and Meta's apps, marking a major global shift in online safety regulation. For more update, keep like, share and follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
आपके मोबाइल पर तुरंत आएगी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, स्क्रीन पर सबसे पहले दिखेगी बड़ी खबर, देश दुनिया की हर खबर एक जगह। अब आपके मोबाइल पर तुरंत फटाफट तुरंत इंस्टॉल कीजिए न्यूज नेशन ऐप और रखिए खुद को अपडेट।